Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Raja Yaqub from USA. Overseas are concerned with the character assassination of Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi in The Economist, the magazine or the newspaper. It's shameful for those journalists in Pakistan without inquiry and taking the viewpoint of Imran Khan and his wife. They are publishing those news, and it never happens in the history of Islam, 14th centuries, like such assassination of the character was done by any king or any ruler or by any class of society. Right now they are doing this one. It's happening because of after the 27th Amendment in Pakistan and lifetime immunity from all the crimes, they can do it. Asim Munir, General Asim Munir and Asif Ali Zardari, the President of Pakistan, this is happening. But they should know this thing. Whatever they are trying to do, it can come in their future to them also, when the government will be changed and Pakistan's situation will change. It's against the human rights, violation of the Constitution. It's a duty of all the citizens, especially the attorneys. They are the custodian of the law, the judiciary, civil society, politicians, political workers. They believe upon the supremacy of the Constitution and rule of law and civilian supremacy. They should raise such voice against those character assassination of any prime minister or any respectful people in the society. Overseas Pakistanis are concerned about this issue. Overseas Pakistani feel when they send money to Pakistan for the economy of Pakistan, and only it's like they feel like we have no inclusion and we don't have any respect or any opinion about the policies of Pakistan. So whatever is happening in Pakistan about the character assassination of Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi, that's a shameful. It should be stopped, and all the Pakistani Americans and Pakistani citizens, they are concerned they should have a peaceful movement and struggle for the supremacy of the Constitution, for the supremacy of the civilians and the rule of law and transparency in the elections and independence judiciary. Pakistan Zindabad, Imran Khan Zindabad.